Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to move some Foresters around, get the red one in here, and we're going to start pulling it apart. Alright guys, so we're going to get the SF5 Forester in here, and we're going to start pulling the engine out, ready to put the stage 2 cams in it. Let's get that one started up. Pretty tight squeeze, so we're going to get the red one just over this side, and then we'll get this one out, get the red one in, get the battery out, put the battery into the Skyline, move the Skyline forward a bit so we can work on that. So we also need to get rid of that one. So I need to do a little bit of work there. But in the meantime, when it's cold, dark outside, we'll be in here working on the Forester. Right, so I'm going to be pulling the battery out of this soon and chucking it in the Skyline, so then we can move the Skyline forward and do a couple of things to it. We'll bring it back over here so we can get all around it. It's not under this tree, and give it a go clean up and hopefully get rid of it. Unfortunately,
eventually.
Alright guys, so I finally made it back out into the garage so we can start pulling this apart. So tonight I'm going to get grill off, bumper bar off, get the intercooler piping off, some of this intake here, and then after that we'll jack it up and we'll start pulling radiator out and all the coolant stuff over here. Probably get dump pipe off and get it pretty close to getting it out. So I'll have to clear up this area here so we can get the engine crane in, and then the fun begins. Got a lot of stuff to do. Got a lot of wiring I need to clean up. I might change some things up too. I need to get another welder as well, and I would like to get that and redo the intercooler piping and even redo the catch can system, so it's going to look a lot neater. So alright, let's get stuck into it. Also I've got this to replace with the new one. Alright guys, so on TikTok, I'm on TikTok if you didn't know, come follow me. I did a video of my car running outside and it sounded like it was knocking. It was actually the panel. Can't do it now because I've moved it. Oh, there. And it sounded like it was knocking. Yeah, that's nearly got 100,000 views. So it's pretty funny. Anyway, let's start pulling it apart. Also, if you're wondering where the center gauge product is, I'm doing that at work in my spare time. on my brakes and stuff. I'm not going to do it here and sit down for 3 hours and waste time at home when I've got the car here. So it's getting done, but I don't want to film me sanding for 12 hours. So yeah. Alright guys, as you might be able to tell, it's jacked up now. So we're going to get the tub under the car and we're going to drain the radiator, and we'll get that out. We'll get the lines out for the breathers. Just keep picking away at it. Hi guys, I've done a bit more. I've taken most of the fuel system apart, fuel pressure regulator, ethanol sensor, into the fuel filter. It's all off, so it's all disconnected, so it can drain tomorrow. And tomorrow we will come back and disconnect everything else and get it ready to pull out. I don't know if I'll pull it out this episode because I am going away shortly and I just don't want it to sit around open air, things open on it, and getting rusty and stuff. So we'll get it to the point of when I get back from holidays, I can pull it out, get it onto the engine stand and start ripping into it. The main concern at the moment is the wiring. I think I've hardwired a couple, so I'll have to get this panel off because all the wiring runs through there, and we'll have to see what I hardwired. I can't remember. It was a while ago. Yeah, I think that's going to be me for tonight because it stinks like fuel in here. Spilled a little bit and there's still some dribbling out here and there. So we'll come back tomorrow.